We'll have to complete the table below for the equation f of x equals 6x minus 5, then use two of the ordered pairs to graph f of x. Looking at the table, in the first column we have the x values or inputs, in the second column we have the function values or function outputs, and the third column we have the ordered pairs. Notice how the first x value or input is negative 2, and therefore the corresponding output is going to be f of negative 2. So f of negative 2 is equal to, we substitute negative 2 for x, so we have 6 times negative 2 minus 5. Well, 6 times negative 2 is negative 12. Negative 12 minus 5 equals negative 17. So when the input is negative 2, the output is negative 17. The ordered pair is negative 2, comma, negative 17. The next x value or input is negative 1, and therefore the corresponding function value or output is f of negative 1. F of negative 1 equals 6 times negative 1 minus 5, which would be negative 6 minus 5, which equals negative 11. So when the input is negative 1, the output is negative 11. The ordered pair is negative 1, comma, negative 11. The next x value or input is 0, so the output is f of 0. F of 0 equals 6 times 0 minus 5, which equals negative 5. So when x equals 0, f of x equals negative 5. The ordered pair is 0, comma, negative 5. The next input is x equals 1. So the output or function value is f of 1, which equals 6 times 1 minus 5, which is just 6 minus 5, which equals 1. So when x is 1, f of x is 1. The ordered pair is 1, comma, 1. And then finally, the last input or x value is 2. So the output or function value is f of 2, which equals 6 times 2 minus 5. 6 times 2 is 12. 12 minus 5 equals 7. So when x equals 2, f of x equals 7. The ordered pair is 2, comma, 7. And now we'll plot at least two of these ordered pairs to graph f of x. Notice how the scaling on the horizontal and vertical axes go from negative 10 to positive 10. So let's go ahead and plot these 3 points here. So 0, comma, negative 5 would be the vertical intercept, this point here. Then we have 1, comma, 1, so from the origin, right 1, up 1. And then for 2, comma, 7, from the origin, right 2, up 7. So it's a good idea to use 3 points rather than 2, because if one line doesn't pass through the 3 points, we know we have an error. So the function f of x is a line passing through these 3 points. I hope you found this helpful.